Let's go over the different software editions for the Magic Leap 2. The Magic Leap 2 has 3 software editions: Base, Developer Pro, and Enterprise. Starting off, all 3 editions have the same hardware. It's purely just software differences between the 3. The devices do not come with the licenses pre-installed though. You'll have to activate them on device after the initial device setup, and we'll show you how later in the video. All 3 editions have multimodal input support, so hand tracking, eye tracking, and voice commands. They also have third-party MDM support, mixed reality capture and streaming, and some other functionality. For the full list breakdown, check out our website. What really differentiates our Developer Pro and Enterprise editions from the base are additional features such as AR Cloud, which enables synchronized spatial data across all devices. So for instance, if I have a 3D model here, people on other headsets would be able to see it in the exact same position. This enables co-located experiences. Also via AR Cloud, users can export USD map files to be used in a variety of tools such as Omniverse. They can also stitch together large-scale maps that are over 1,000 square meters. We also have multi-user. This allows for multiple accounts to be running on the same device. This is especially useful when there's one device that's shared amongst many workers. And these users can be directory managed using Active Directory, OAuth 2, and others. We also have remote rendering and iris authentication. Remote rendering allows you to render complex 3D models with high fidelity. So imagine a scenario where accurate details really matter, like for surgery planning or design reviews. And iris authentication allows you to quickly log in by using your eye. Now, the main difference between Developer Pro and Enterprise is you need the Enterprise license for commercial deployments or production environments. To upgrade your license from Base to Developer Pro or Enterprise, simply go through one of our authorized resellers online. Once you purchase, you'll receive a license activation key via email, and you'll want to enter this key or scan the QR code into the Settings app on your Magic Leap 2 device. If you don't have the key, please see your IT admin or device manager. And once you activate your license, you'll be able to activate features such as AR Cloud, multi-user, remote rendering, and more. Previously, we only had a license key in which you enter into the Settings app, but we heard your feedback and we made a new simpler flow with the QR code. For more detailed instructions on how to set that up, check out our customer support page. Now you've learned a bit about the different software editions on the Magic Leap 2, go check out more details on the features on our developer pages.